In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make delicious tofu balls using firm tofu. For this recipe, you'll need some vegetables. I'll be using onions, carrots and spring onions, but feel free to use your favorite veggies. The next things you need are breadcrumbs, your firm tofu, eggs and a few spices which I'll show you later in the video. Start by breaking the firm tofu into smaller chunks. Then using a fork, mash it into finer pieces. Next, crack in some eggs. These will serve as both a moisture component and a binder, which will compensate for the drained moisture in the tofu. To enhance the flavor of your tofu balls, add in some salt, a dash of black pepper and chili pepper. Mix these spices into the tofu mixture, ensuring they are evenly distributed. Then add in the vegetables, making sure they are well incorporated. Once that is done, gradually add breadcrumbs to the mixture until you achieve the desired texture. The goal here is to achieve a firm outer layer but a soft and flavorful center, so just a small amount will go a long way. Stir that in and go ahead to shape these into balls. To do this, scoop up a generous portion of the mixture and gently roll it in your palms until the desired round shape is achieved. Once you are done, fill up a saucepan with some oil, allow it to heat up considerably, and carefully add the tofu balls, allowing them to fry until golden brown on all sides. Once cooked to perfection, remove the tofu balls from the oil and place them on a paper towel lined plate to absorb any excess oil. Serve these tofu balls with your favorite dipping sauce or incorporate them in your favorite meals as a protein-packed component. If you enjoyed this video, do well to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.